Good morning, guys. Well, it's 12 in the afternoon, but I am unpacking an espresso machine maker little thing. I'm excited because it's small. I wanted a small one. So piece by piece. Or just, oh, what is this? Oh, cool. That's like a tablespoon. Just, okay. I used to have the McDonald's one, but it broke after like a year of using it. So. The McCafe or something. So this is really cute, right? Isn't it? It's a good size. The little frother and everything. I'm excited. I want to make my own lattes. It's cheaper if you make them yourself. This was probably a $60 machine, but I think it's worth it because lattes are like $5, $6, $7, especially if you get plant-based milk and like a flavor shot, like I usually do. But now, after like a couple weeks, I'll have already like paid this off in lattes and make my own lattes for cheap. So I got my own espresso. I've had bustelo coffee and I really like it. And then I got cashew milk. And I like to put agave in it for sweetener or like maple syrup if I don't have agave. Which I don't have agave, so I'm gonna use maple syrup. I think I should rinse it out, right? Rinse it out first. Maybe I'll just clean it. I really like the size. I feel like this is bigger than the actual machine. You get 4 cups of espresso, which I don't know why. I feel like it could be even smaller because I don't need that much. And one, I mean, maybe I do actually. It's kind of nice. Because I do put a lot of milk in my coffee. I love lattes. This is awesome. It's just like a mug. I'm just gonna rinse this out. I really like this. So this just goes under here. No. Yeah. This just sits under here. I should probably read the instructions because I'm a little lost. Well, if I look at the picture, let's just look at the picture. Yeah, so this goes like that. Well, let's move that out of the way. Well, let's rinse this out first. Okay, so I rinsed this out, and now I'm gonna add, maybe I'm making a video. I'm gonna add drinking water. Okay. And then I could probably use tap water because it boils anyway. And I'm gonna put this espresso espresso in here. The only thing it doesn't come with is a tamper. I used to have one. Oh, I wonder if my mom could bring it. I'll have to ask her. But maybe I could. Oh, this is the tamper. It comes on the other side of the tablespoon. That's perfect. I just noticed that. Okay. So. Vacuum packed. This is vacuum sealed. Makes it hard to get in here. Oh, I should have cut it closer to the top. Okay. This is like a pound of espresso. I'm gonna scoop it in here. I'm not even measuring. I never measure. We're gonna press it down. Okay, and then we are going to put this and then lock it. Okay, put this underneath. Look at how it fits. Oh, okay. Like that. And then plug it in. And then I'm assuming that's what you do. I turned it to the coffee cup. Let's see. Oh, I should have poured the water in here and then poured it into the machine. But I just poured it right into the machine. Might have done too much. Okay, turn the knob. Yeah. In about 2 minutes, the coffee will flow out. Okay, so I turned it. Not setting. Let's see. This is tight. And then remove the coffee and turn the knob to position release the steam to. Guys, any minute. Oh, it's been 9 minutes. This has been like a boring video, so sorry about that. But I really like it. I really like this. I like the size. And I like what it does. And I like all the little gadgets it came with. And there it goes. Although you can't really see, you can see it even though it has like fake coffee in there, you can still see the actual coffee. Oh, that's cool. I need this badly. I'm gonna keep the manual just in case. Just in case. Put that there. It's Noah's birthday today, so naturally I bought myself an espresso machine. But I also grabbed a microwave. So he was pretty excited about that. And he got a blue raspberry lemon birthday cake. And he had a sausage and rice dinner. Oh, I think it's almost done. That didn't even make 2. That made 1 shot of espresso. I thought I put way more water in there. It says you're supposed to stop it on your own, so I'm gonna put it on pause, if that's all it's gonna make. So I'm gonna put it on pause. And then what is that little thing? Tape. Oh, it's just a video of me awning.
What? Do you edit them?
No.
Really? That's cool. At the same time, I will be making a pot of coffee.
That's funny. I am an espresso gal.
I knew when you said there was no tamp, I was going to jump in and say there's got to be one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I mean, last time I had to buy my own separately.
Really?
But look at this. Do you think they did that on purpose?
I had one in California that had the tamping thing. It's not like a nice professional heavy one, but yeah,
No.
that's definitely it.
That's it. That's cool. I like that they did that.
Philip might.
Yeah, the one I have at home, I have another one.
Did you see these things? That's what's in your coffee.
Oh my god, I didn't know that. So they're measured out?
Yes, so
Yeah,
I
sure.
take my Oro coffee. We're here in Honduras, so you get this super strong coffee, but I thought I was going to open it, but instead there's these little bags of coffee, which is awesome because it's the perfect measurement.
That is really cool for a full, like 1 pot.
Yeah, and then they don't go stale, I guess. Does coffee go stale?
I don't know, it like the texture of it changes sometimes. Alright, I'm gonna get some ice.
Oh shoot. Well, it's perfect measurement unless you spill it all over the counter. A little bit. This is okay.
That's weird. I thought I
Press the button.
filled this yesterday.
The tray?
Yeah.
And last night?
I'll do it again.
Yeah, it's toaster.
You can never have too much ice.
My office has an ice machine.
Yes, it does, but they never use it.
No, it's because it was carried and then it moved to the pocket, so I always hear it cranking ice.
Yeah, I never used it when I was there either, but I wanted to.
Why not?
Because nobody, I thought there was
it'll go
like,
off.
yeah, it seemed dirty.
Somebody uses it now, they cleaned it.
Oh, nice.
If you're ever back in Rhode Island, feel free to swing by.
Make a latte. Okay, then we're gonna pour. You have to like twist it out. I'm I'm learning as I go. Wow, that's a lot. That's really a lot. I probably could have made 2 lattes instead of 1 big one.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah, that's a lot. Holy crap.
Oh, you'll be up all night.
It took 1 pot of coffee for me to be up all night. Full pot. You have maple syrup. And I'm gonna do oat milk because it's cold. Or no, I only have soy. And then I'm gonna do maple syrup because I don't have agave. Just didn't have any agave.
If I go for a bike ride, I don't get back in time. Can you pick up Nona?
Yeah.
And Nona.
Yeah. Pick the
We're going out
boys
for
up.
sushi for his birthday.
Oh, tonight we're like going out to dinner?
Yeah, either Wok or that other place. I'm gonna let Noah choose because I think he likes Wok better than
You just want to try something new?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try this, guys. Where's my straw? Oh.
I got you a red onion. Did you see it?
Oh, sweet, thank you. It's for the salad. Oh, need to clean it. Oh, that's delicious.
What is that?
Bustelo espresso.
All right.
It is strong. That's really good though.
Are you standing up?
It's like
so
the
you
perfect
can-
flavoring of coffee. Alright, guys. That's it. Thanks for setting up my espresso machine with me.
No.
Catch you later. Oh my god, 17 minutes.